how are you? And hope you are doing well. Sorry. So, today it's the official comeback of our favorite clubs and leagues and our way of winning some money. Okay? So, let's start with first Germany Bundesliga league. The first match is gonna be between Borussia Mönchengladbach and VfB Stuttgart. So this match is gonna be like this. All the fans and audience think that either VfB Stuttgart will win or draw, but we have to go with the secure bet. It is Mönchengladbach will score at least one goal because they are the host team, okay, and the Stuttgart are the guest. The second match in the same league is VfL Wolfsburg versus Eintracht Frankfurt. This match is gonna be like this. Either Frankfurt will win or Wolfsburg will win. This is the safest bet here, is double chance. Okay? The other match is Leipzig versus Union Berlin. We are going to play this. Union Berlin will score over 1.5 goals. Okay? Oh, sorry, Leipzig, not on Union Berlin. Leipzig. The other match is far from Bundesliga. We will move to Spain, La Liga, the Spanish league. Mallorca versus Villarreal. You have to play this and pay attention very, very, very well and carefully, okay? Total 2, which means Villarreal will score at least one goal, okay? The other match is Espanyol versus Deportivo Alaves. This match is gonna be like this. Either Alaves will win or draw is double chance. Sevilla versus Getafe, also double chance. Either Sevilla will win or draw because it is the host team and have a great squad. Real Madrid versus Sociedad. Real Madrid will score at least one goal, okay? This match is impossible to be drawn nil or 0 to each team. Olympique de Marseille versus Nice. This is the French league, France Ligue 1 or Ligue 1. Okay. Marsilia versus Nice. Marsilia will score over 1.5 goals, or Nice will score at least one goal. You can choose whatever you like. Okay, we'll change it from here. The other match is Monaco versus Auxerre. Monaco will win the game, and Paris Saint-Germain versus Stade Brestois 29. Paris Saint-Germain will score over 2 goals. Okay, you either refund or will the bet. This is the 10 matches of the day. Remember them and please play each 3 matches in a ticket. As I told you before, you can skip this, okay, and play this. These are safe bets. I skipped that match not because it is hard or something, no, only because I follow the rule of 9 matches. I play 3 matches from this in a separate ticket. For example, Borussia and Espanyol and Paris Saint-Germain in a separate ticket, and all etc. 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 For example, if you play it with $150, you will get $2,983.94. Okay, take care of yourselves. See you later and thank you.